Hi, my name's Jamie and we are here at MACH Show on day 3. Just to give you a big summarise, if you've not had a chance to come and see us, what we've got on show today, we've got some great technology. We've got our brand new Genius that's been delivered straight from Germany, straight to the show, in the best in tool inspection software. Down this way we've got our fully automatic heat shrinking machine. So we're pre-setting and heat shrinking the tool at the same time, all in one process. We've got on our front of the stand here, we've got our range of presetters and our entry-level compact all the way up to our Smart 420s, both showcasing our Pilot Starter software, Pilot 1 software and Pilot 4 software. At the end of the stand we've got our TMS, so we've got our organisers and we've also got our keepers. We can showcase the TMS software to you and any other machines we've got on stand here. If you haven't had a chance to come see us, come and have a coffee, come and have a chat and see how we can help you out today.